explain you physics and branches of physics. Definition. Physics is the branch of science in which study about matter and energy and interaction between them. What is energy? Energy is that the capability of doing work, and matter, anything that occupies space and can be filled and can have a weight. That's called matter. First is branches of physics. First is mechanical physics. It is mainly concerned with the motion of the article or bodies under the action of given forces. Motion of the object. Our object moves and causes. If the object moves, what is the cause of that object effects? What is the effect? Second is heat physics. It is the branch of physics in which study about heat energy. What is heat? Nature of heat. Why it is produced? And sunlight. Sunlight is the biggest source of heat. Modes of the heat. Why in low temperature heat is low, and why is high temperature there is more heat. And third, sound physics. It is the branch of science in which study about sound and how it behaves. First, the pollution of sound. How sound is made, properties, what are the property of sound, application in high medium sound, in low medium sound don't travel, and medium sound travel. And damp sound that do sound, they remains for few seconds, and undamp sound that do their frequency same. Optic physics. It is the branch of physics in which study about behavior and properties of light. First is that the light get benefit for us. Property. What are the property of light? Working. How light work? How light come from sun? And use the optical instrument. How that the optical instrument like microscope, telescope, and the biggest example is that if our eye don't get light, so we can even not see the. And fifth one is that electricity produced. I will explain you in Urdu. जब एक वायर के अंदर चार्ज बहता है तो करंट बनता है. that when charge flow in wire there will be current produced, and और इसको वायर के इर्द एक फील्ड बनता है तो एरिया को हम मैग्नेटिज्म कहते हैं. and that wire surrounding that will made a field, that field we name that magnetism. And sixth one is atomic physics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about atoms and particles and their arrangement. Atom of hydrogen, atom nucleus and out of shell. Seventh is nuclear physics. It is the branch of physics in which study about nuclei of the atoms, their properties, behavior and particles. Eighth one is plasma physics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about ions. Ion is that plasma energy, that biggest ion is plasma is sun. Geophysics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about internal part of the earth. एक साइंस की शाखा है जिसमें हम अर्थ के अंदरूनी हिस्सों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं.